most probable which may be asked in the exam. Today's topic is credit policy. Credit policy means mainly quantitative measures. Yesterday I took the qualitative measures, right? So today credit policy is a part of quantitative measures. So let's start. Yesterday's homework. I gave you one homework yesterday. What was that? How many of you have done? Just type yes in the comment section. Sure. Which among the following institutions have to maintain SLR? Who has to maintain SLR? Scheduled commercial banks, primary agricultural cooperative societies at village level, urban cooperative banks, state and central cooperative banks. Select the correct answer. So, scheduled commercial banks, do they maintain this SLR? Yes. Cooperative societies? No, not required. Urban cooperative banks, what do you say? How many of you say yes? How many of you say no? Have to maintain. Correct. Wherever there is a name of bank, they have to maintain it. Only there are certain banks, non-scheduled. Okay, those don't maintain it. But generally, all the banks have to maintain this SLR. State and central cooperative banks, yes. So the answer is A, C, and D. Where is this option? This. Okay. Move on. What is the maximum and minimum ceiling of CRR imposed by RBI on banks? So minimum CRR. How much can be the maximum CRR? How much can be the minimum CRR? Who can tell me? Type fast in the comment section. Who can tell me? Yeah? Maximum and minimum. Let me see. Yeah. Let me see. Okay. It is 3. Somebody is typing 3 over here. No, it's not that. See here, since 2006, there is no minimum or maximum level of CRR. What are the options? Look at this: 320, 420, 415, and no minimum maximum. So, that is the right answer. Since 2006, there is no minimum or maximum level of CRR. Firstly, what is CRR? Many of you might not be getting the concept clear. Means we have learnt about it. We have mugged it up in CAIIB. CRR, cash reserve ratio, means what? It's based on NDTL, net deposit and term liabilities, net demand and term liabilities, right? So it is based on NDTL. Now, what do we include in NDTL? Do we include term loans, term deposits? Term deposits means FD. Do I include this in NDTL? How many of you say yes or how many of you say no? Just type in the comment section. Do we include term deposits? How many of you say yes? Okay, it is included. Okay, it is included. Remember this, it is included. Got it? Remember, in NDTL, all the elements means what all elements are included. That is to be studied. See here, NDTL includes what? Firstly, your demand liabilities, then current deposits, your demand drafts, okay, balances in overdue FDs, that is also included, demand liabilities portion of savings bank account. So all these elements are included in NDTL. Okay, so clear everyone? What is included in NDTL now? Who can tell me? There are other terms also, okay, but the main terms which we always forget: current, demand drafts, balances in overdue fixed deposits, and demand liabilities portion of the savings account. So these all are included in NDTL. Got it everyone? Okay. Which liabilities are not included in NDTL now? Which of them are not included? Let me just guess. How many of you can answer this? Which of them are not included? Shall I tell you? Not included. Yes. See here, not included are paid up capital. Paid up, because that becomes a part of capital. Paid up, okay, paid up share equity for all that, okay, that is not included. Any credit balance in P&L account, means if there is any credit balance remaining in the P&L account, that is not included. Okay, then amount of any loan taken from RBI, means if I take any loan from RBI, obviously how can it be included? I am loan from RBI. Say this loan from RBI. Now it's a loan. Right, it's a loan. How can I, what do you have in NDTL? what I have earned, what people have kept with me, demand liabilities, term liabilities. So they have kept. And what is this loan? Loan is I am taking, sir, paisa de do, and it is given me. And how can I include it in NDTL then? Isn't it? Then amount of refinance from Exim, NABARD, CDB, etc. Means whatever is the amount from refinance. Means CDB gives me the soft loans. This NABARD gives me the soft loans. So these are not to be included in NDTL. Net income tax provision. Suppose if I have made some income tax, I have so and so profit, my bank has, and I am including this income tax provision. So this will not be included. See here, we are focusing over here, not included, not, okay. So not. So these all three important points are not. And next last one is net income tax provision, IT, income tax, okay. Provision, remember this word provision. Why? Because whatever is paid will never be shown. What's important is income tax provision over here, okay. Tax, it should be income tax provision, okay. So coming back, this was about CRR, because here, why did I take this CRR? It's out of the portion today, but the point is you must know the basics. Otherwise what happens, we go on learning, we go on mugging up, and we don't understand anything. So that is the wrong thing, isn't it? Let's move on. Before going ahead, download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. Okay, have you understood this CRR concept up till now? What is to be included, what is not to be included? If yes, type yes in the comment section. Everyone type yes fast in the comment section. Everyone do it fast. Okay. Okay. Mainly this, I was talking about this Adda 24/7 app. Download this Adda 24/7 app immediately. In this app, you will be getting all the premium study materials plus live classes, ebooks, tests, everything you will be getting. Whatever is required for clearing JIB and CIB, you will get it over here. Okay, immediately download it. Which among the following are included in the NDTL? Now, just only I took this question and just now it has come again, right? So, which among the following is included in NDTL? Current account, saving account, FD cash certificate, interest accrued on deposits, unpaid dividend, paid up capital reserves, any credit balance in the profit, loss account, P&L account. Okay, so select the one which is included. We want included or not included, right? Chalo. Let's start one by one. Okay, so current account, saving account, deposits included. A is there. Fixed deposit cash certificates included. Yes. B is there. Now A and B is there. Where do you see the options A and B over here? See this, A and B are there. So 3 is out and 4 is out. Now only thing remains is AB or ABC. What about the C? Interest accrued on deposits or unpaid dividend. Just now what did I say? Interest accrued on deposits. Do we include it in that or no? What do you say? How many of you say yes? How many of you say no? Yeah. How many of us say yes? How many of us say no? Everyone, fast. Okay. Yeah. Everyone. Yeah. So what is the answer? I'm saying 2-3 answers from your side. Which among these are included, not included? Should I include this? Just now what did I say? I told you what is included. So current account, balance in overdue fixed deposit. Just now I told you balances in overdue fixed deposits. Means what? It means the same. It means that interest accrued on deposits or unpaid dividend, that should be included in my NDTL. Okay. So A, B and C, all the three are the answers. A, B and C. That is the right answer. Remember this, everyone knows. A and B, everyone knows. What about C? Interest accrued on deposits and unpaid dividend. These are included in NDTL. Okay. Why are they included? Why is unpaid dividend included? Because what is dividend? Unpaid dividend. Unpaid dividend is a part of profit. From where is the dividend paid? Dividend is paid from the profit. So if it is my profit, then what do you mean by this? Isn't it? So unpaid dividend, that should be included, because after all it is removed from my profit and I am going to give it. Okay. So that's why remember this. Interest accrued on deposits and unpaid dividend. These are the part of your NDTL. What is the maximum ceiling of SLR imposed by RBI on the banks? So maximum SLR 40% of NDTL, 35% of NDTL, 30% of NDTL, 25% of NDTL. So what is the answer? Maximum SLR. Can I have 100% of SLR? Can I have? No, you can't have, because SLR is limited to 40%. 40. Okay, 40 is the right answer. CRR. Can I have 100% of CRR? CRR. 100%. Can I have that? Or more than 100%? Can I have CRR of 104%? Can I have CRR 104%? CRR, such a huge. Can I have it? How many of you say yes? Type yes in the comment section if you say I can have CRR of 104%. How many of you say? Yes, we can have it. When did we have this? Did we ever have this? Yes, we had it. When? During demonetization. During the 3 months of demonetization, okay, during the months of this demonetization, our CRR at that time was 104%. Whatever cash was deposited in the bank, full was to be transferred to RBI. See, RBI divided at that time CRR into two parts. 4% for regular savings and current whatever was going on, and 100% for the demonetization money. Complete money was given to RBI. You couldn't lend under this, okay? You couldn't lend under this. Otherwise, there would have been a huge fraud and money laundering transactions. So that's why we had CRR of 104% during demonetization. SLR, you can't do it. SLR maximum is 40%. Now, before going ahead, subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel, you will be getting number 1, latest updates on JIB, CIB, and number 2, free YouTube series on all the topics. What is it right now? What are you watching? You're watching the same free YouTube series, isn't it? So, get it over here. Immediately download it. Immediately subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon. Okay? Which among the following assets are eligible to be included in SLR? What can be included in SLR? Remember, SLR and CRR both are on NDTL. So which of them are included? Paid up capital of the banks, cash, gold, eligible government securities. So what can I include over here? Paid up capital, cash, gold. What can I include? Yes. Which among the following can be included in SLR? Yeah. Here it is. It means what? Eligible to be included in SLR means what? Cash. I can keep the SLR in cash. I can keep the SLR in gold. I can keep the SLR in government security. So B, C and D, all of them I can keep the SLR in. So cash, gold, government security. So answer is B. Okay. Answer. Remember this. SLR can be kept in 3 ways. One is cash, second is gold, third is eligible government securities, or combination of these. Combination of B, C, D. I can keep it in these, the combination of these 3 also. Okay. Now this is a separate question. I have brought it on the popular demand because many of the students wanted to know moral suasion, because I had taken it yesterday also. In yesterday's lecture I have taken this, but then also people want it again because they want more clarity on this. Okay, understand this. Moral suasion is not a quantitative measure. Understand this. RBI takes 2 measures in the hand for maintaining the liquidity, proper liquidity. Okay, one is quantitative. Okay, yesterday I had shown you this slide, and second is qualitative. Now quantitative means what? Which I can measure in numbers. There are numbers to this. Means CRR, SLR, all these are quantitative. Repo, reverse repo, MSF, marginal standing facility. Okay, all these are included under quantitative. But what is qualitative? Which cannot be measured in numbers. Cannot be measured means what? Rationing, credit rationing. Credit rationing can't be measured in numbers. Okay. Then similarly this one, what? There are total 5 model this qualitative measures. Okay. Credit rationing, then moral suasion over here. So this is another part. What do you mean by suasion? Suasion means it is influencing. Suppose if your wife or your mother, suppose if you are going somewhere outside and your wife says, don't go with those dirty friends. those friends, all drinkers, sit and drink on Saturdays, don't go there. Wasteful friends. That is suasion. Right? This happens now with everyone. Your wife says, why are you going every Saturday, every Friday, going there, all those friends? Be with the family. So that is suasion. Suasion means preventing from doing something. A type of influencing procedure which is applied by central banks. Now that was about family. This is about the bank. B. To keep the pressure on the commercial banks in order to abide by the monetary policy that are established. Abide means stick to your monetary policy. And third is, it is carried out by transferring speeches, seminars and meetings. So remember, suasion is never given directly as a direction to the banks. It is always given by seminars. Means RBI will arrange one seminar on construction industry in India. And in that seminar, there will be a lecture of RBI governor or anyone who is the knowledgeable person. That person will indirectly tell you, see, the sector is growing very fast now. We have to lend to these institutions so that India grows. Now, what is that guy telling you? That guy is telling you, do fund to these infrastructure activities now. Or if tomorrow the governor or anyone says in that the infrastructure structure sector is facing huge problems and it will face huge problems in the coming years. He doesn't say that don't lend, but indirectly that the governor is telling you that don't lend to these companies. Okay, so that's how it is done. It is never done directly. Suasion is never. RBI can never tell you at all that don't fund the construction industry. How can it tell you? Because after all, that is a part of the economy. Okay, it can only prevent you from doing certain things. So what is suasion again? Influencing procedure. Yes, A is right. Let me mark this. A is right. B, to keep pressure to measure maintain this monetary policy, right? Transferring lectures, right? So answer is D, all of the above. Okay, last one. What is direct action by RBI? Direct action means whenever here moral suasion is done indirectly. RBI says no, this sector is going down, but direct action means RBI says don't do this at all, strict. That is the meaning of direct action. And whom is direct action given? See this, look at the options, you will find it over here only. Enforce both qualitative and quantitative credit control. Enforce. Okay, RBI is enforcing it on you. So enforce. Second, directions given by central bank to commercial banks regarding lending and investment policies. So directions. Remember these words, if you see, enforce means pressure. Directions means directing. What do you mean by directing? Do this, do that, don't do this. That is direction. So it's again a strict action. Adopted when some commercial banks do not cooperate with the central bank in controlling the credit. Now this is the important option. Suppose if you tell them 1,000 times don't lend to this or this infrastructure is going down, be cautious, you tell them 1,000 times, and then also the bank goes on lending, then that bank has to be taken at task. Okay, so that's why C is also the option. So that's why the correct option is direct action is A, B and C combined, D, all of the above. Okay, now let me come to the batches. Remember, exams are near, so focus on the batches immediately. Join the batches immediately. Revision batches for June will be starting. Then video courses batches are available. If you don't have time, then you can definitely go for the video courses batch. In video courses also we cover all the topics and you can watch it at your own time. Okay, you get ebooks also, tests also in both the batches. So that's why I would suggest join the batches immediately. 80% discount is going on, double validity on Mahapacks is going on. So let me show you how to go. Okay, let me see, let me go to Adda 24/7. In fact, I would suggest download the app first. I would always suggest you download the app first, because app is very important. In the app you are getting 1% extra using the coin system. Okay, so 1% extra is not a joke. 1% is a huge amount. Okay, I'll show you how to get the discounts. Use the code Y432. Never forget this code, Y432. Okay, go to Adda 24/7. Click on JIB and CIB. Click on CIB 23. See this, CIB 23. Okay, click. Now click on this power pack revision batch. Done. See, all the details are over here. What are the dates, what are the timings, okay, everything you will find it over here. Study plan. Look at the fees. Just what I would suggest, don't settle for these fees. Click on more offers. What is the code I told you? Y432. Click on apply. Look at this, 80%. Now it is reduced to 3199. Such a huge discount you are getting. Go for it immediately. Also, I would suggest you should go for the join the video courses batch. Okay, what is the video course batch? Let me show you that also. Go to Adda 24/7 again. Scroll down. When you scroll down, you will see the CAIIB BFM English batch video courses. Click on this. Again, go through it. All the details are available. See here, video courses batch is for those guys who can't attend it on regular time because of the bank pressures. So after all, we have to study. So study it this way. Look at the fees, 78% off. Click on this offer, put the code Y432, click on apply. Look at this, 22,999 reduces to 4,599. Such a huge discount you are getting. So I'll be back tomorrow with another series. Till then, bye, keep studying, and importantly, do join the batches because exams are